So this is going to be the first real drive of the 74 Charger. Fires right up. Here we are at the good old stop here. Where do we want to go? Right? We probably can get gas. Yep, that one's going too. Not too bad. Alternator's charging. 65, 70 PSI. So far run pretty good.
I'd probably put it another degree further.
Just a little bit. Hello, copper.
Is that the Grim Reaper?
I just pulled this thing out, I swear to God. Well, he don't look like he's turning around. Literally, first time we pulled it out of the driveway. And
First car we see on the highway, on the road. It's got to be a cop car.
We'll have to put that as a title. For first time out of the garage, cop immediately. Yeah, I could probably just use a little bit. Manual brakes. Hold on, I'm gonna get some pretty good thigh workout.
Just gotta learn to pull.
That's blinkers are working. That's good. Solid.
A little bit of rattle in the back. That's got to be one of the exhaust pipes. We'll have to look at that.
Could be that. Could be the trunk, maybe. A little bit loose.
It's an exhaust.
Yeah. Makes up quite nice.
So today is October 2nd. First drive. Pull out of the driveway, first car we meet is one of our local police officers. He just waved to us and we kept on our merry way. Next stop is gas because evidently we ran a little low this morning. She died on us here.
Yeah, she needed a little bit of gas. Let's see what I got here. Fire pump. Yeah, I'll go.
That goes back in
Look at that. That ain't gonna work.
Maybe the middle pump?
You think he'll give me? I wonder if he's gonna back all the way up for me. Why would I get that one? That's alright.
Pull straight in there.
Oh, pull around. This guy's going.
Oh.
Just pull around. Beautiful day. No rush. Gotta load that. Park in the middle of nowhere.
Almost the first accident.
Oh my God.
I didn't even look this way.
I haven't even been out 5 minutes. And it's been an eventful 5 minutes. If you don't know, these things you film from the rear. Alright. Be right back. Time to film.
Wow.
We're actually taking it for a ride.
Absolutely stunning.
Let's see how it goes. Thanks.
Got an eventful day today.
There you go.
Oh. You put on the fuel cap, right? Ah. Fire's right up.
Add a jump time.
She probably wants a degree or two more. I think.
We'll see when we get on the highway. She liked your car.
We've had a lot happen. We got a cop, almost got hit, compliment. Really, these cars are amazing. It's never an uneventful day.
Only 5 minutes down the road. If that.
Yeah, if that, if we're lucky here. You know, I ain't gonna pull out in front because if she dies on me, it's
That's right.
be a sad day. Idling at around, well, not idling, driving at around 2,000 RPM.
1,000 RPM?
1,800 about.
Yeah.
1,800, 35 miles an hour. Not too bad. Probably take a left here, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go by the park again.
Park. This car really is just interesting to drive. It just, you can feel the weight distribution. It's a boat. To be fair, this could be completely off, so we're in Mexico. It says 35, speed limit says 55. Going 35?
Yeah, we don't know how that speedometer's working.
That says it's about 45.
Well, then we're doing better than 45.
That's what I'm gonna guess.
I was gonna say, can I do it on my phone?
That's what I'm wondering. I wonder if you can't pull out like Google Maps and like type in a city for directions. If it'll tell you how fast. Look up an app. We'll have to look it up. Look it up like speed app or something. App Store. It says we're doing 45, but I think we're doing a little, just a tad bit better.
Speed app. You need to make a left on there.
This road.
Yeah.
Continue on Park Road for 1 mile.
It's the first road here.
Blinkers were good.
Good job. Last thing you're gonna do is throw a rock at this.
Yeah.
1,000 feet, make a U-turn.
Says we're full on gas.
So I know the gas gauge is off.
Yeah. That don't bother me too much.
Get a little bit over so you're not throwing all the rocks at a pain. You hear the rocks?
I'm trying to. I can't tell how much I got. Closed to vehicles. It never used to be.
Yeah, it's always been. So what you gotta do is just turn around and point it so it's on there.
Just so the back end's in there.
Yeah.
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face at the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man stand around like they hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.